I'm Tom Rees. I farm just outside of Haverfordwest. Predominantly crops, but quite a mixed business, but cereals, oilseed rape, potatoes. Gene editing to me, I think, is so important for Welsh agriculture moving forward. There's so much opportunity. It's the next stage of technology. And I think it's really, really vital that the Welsh economy is part of that. Not just agriculture, but everyone else around agriculture will benefit from gene editing. What it's going to allow us to do is become more efficient. It's going to allow us to reduce inputs. It's going to allow us to be far more environmentally friendly. Today we're in this field trying to plant some potatoes. These are potatoes that we grow under a Route Zero contract, so they're basically a carbon neutral potato. Gene editing could give massive leaps forward in what we can do as Welsh agriculture for the potato crop. It can allow us to really speed up new varieties and the development of those new varieties. And in a potato crop, it does take a very long time to develop a variety. So if we can really speed that up, we can hopefully start producing crops that are more blight tolerant, and maybe one day even get a blight resistant potato that tastes nice. Because that's always, the caveat to moving the potato on is not only has it got to be agronomically good, it's got to look good and it's got to taste good. So there's a lot of things that gene editing can really help us do, and I just think it's so important that Welsh agriculture is at the front of this, because not only are we competing on a world market here, we're competing on a UK market where it stands. And if we don't have gene editing within Welsh agriculture, we're going to be significantly disadvantaged. As you know, we're in a very maritime climate, especially here in West Wales, Pembrokeshire. I mean, where we're at the moment, we average around 1,200 mil of rain a year. We seem to get longer, drier, hotter summers, wetter, warmer winters, and virtually no springs or autumn. So if we can start developing crops through breeding process that are more resilient to disease and pest infestation, that's got to be a win-win for Welsh agriculture. That means we can reduce inputs, obviously reducing carbon footprint, and just really benefiting the environment. And I just see that, to my mind, gene editing is really the key to the next level in farming of really reducing the inputs that we want to try and get away from if we can. My ask to the next Welsh Government would be to really take a science-based approach to gene editing. Look at the benefits that it can bring, look at how it could move the Welsh economy forward, and allow all parts of that economy to be involved. So not just us here as farmers on the ground, but look at some of those institutions within the Welsh economy like IBERS that can do such a fantastic job of promoting Welsh technology. Let's be at the front of it and let's drive it on, because it's a good technology and we all know that.